Today we are diving for river trash. I got myself a real wetsuit now, so I can stay in the water for longer and yeah, get more trash out. So let's get into it. First piece of trash, an old glass bottle. And styrofoam. Oh, a screwdriver. And here we have another glass bottle. Plastic bottle. An old bottle. A lot of candy bars. It's still full. Wait. Plastic bottle. A pool bag. Ja. Ja.
Voll durchgegangen, glaube ich. Oh Gott.
Au. Ach, Metall. Ach du Scheiße. Oh Junge. Oh shit. Fuck. Ich hab keine Ahnung. Sieht aus wie ein Enterwerk oder so. Okay, so we're done for today. We got a full bag full of plastic and other trash, and yeah, unfortunately we had to stop because my friend stepped on, we don't know what it is yet, some sharp metal spike, yeah, that sticked out there. It was really nasty and he's bleeding a lot, so yeah, we have to cut it.
It was like 4 struts across, and then in the middle there was this metal spike about this long screwed on top. Looked like some kind of anchor.
Yeah, and yeah, he stepped directly onto the spike, which sucks, so we have to take care of that now, and yeah, come back another time.